Namaste Gurukulians. In the last video, we learned about HCF, LCM and their examples. And today we solve the examples on the basis of LCM and their properties. And our first question is, find the smallest number which when divided by 12, 15 and 18 leave a remainder 7. We have to find a number which divide by 12, 15 and 18 and we get a remainder of 7. You should note that when we have to find the smallest number, then we have to find the LCM of these number. Directly we have to find the LCM of these number. We find the LCM, then we need to find a remainder of 7. We add 7 with their LCM. So first we find the LCM of these three number. We can choose any method to find the LCM: short division method, common division and factorization method. Choose the common division method. Divide it. Two number are even, so it divisible by 2. Divide it by 2. That is 6. 15 is not divisible by 2. Write 15 as it is. Then 18 is divisible by 2 and the quotient will be 9. Next, all the three numbers are divisible by 3. So divide it by 3. 2, 5, 3. Next, divide it by 2. 1, 5 is not divisible by 2. Write 5 as it is. And again 3 is not divisible by 2. Write 3 as it is. Next, divide by 3. 1, 5, 1. And the last one is, next I write it above, that is 1, 5, 1. 1, 5, 1. Divide it by 5, 1, 1 and 1. Now we have to find their LCM. LCM of these number is multiplied their prime factor, that is 2 multiply 3 multiply 2, 3 and 5. 2 multiply 3. Next, 2 multiply 3 and multiply with 5. What we get? 6 and 2 into 3, 6 into 5, that is equal to 36 into 5, which is equal to 180. LCM of these three number is 180. Now we have to find a number which divisible by 12, 15 and 18 leave a remainder 7. 180 is divisible by all the three numbers and we have to find the remainder 7. So we add 7 to LCM, that is 180 plus 7, that is equal to 187. 180 plus 7, that is. Next we have to find the remainder 7, so we add 7 to LCM, that is I write above 180 plus 7, that is equal to 180 plus 187 or 187 is our. And our next question is, find the least number from which when 7 is subtracted the result is exactly divisible by 16, 24 and 36. That is, we have to find the least number, that is we have to find their LCM. We have to find the LCM, or we have to find the LCM of these three number. First we find the LCM of these three number. Write these number: 16, 24 and 36. All three numbers are even numbers, so divide it by 2. 16 divisible by 2, quotient will be 8. Divide it, that is 12 and 18. Next, all these three numbers are divisible by 2, even numbers. Divide it by 2, that is 4, 6 and 9. Divide it again by 2, that is 2 multiply 2, that is 4 and 3. 9 is not divisible by 2, so we write 9 as it is. Next, divide it again by 2. 1, 3 is not divisible by 2, write 3 as it is. And 9 is not divisible by 2, write 9 as it is. Next, we proceed here. 1, 3, 9. 3 and 9 is divisible by 3. Divide it by 3, 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3 and 3 multiply 3, that is 9. Again divide it by 3, 1, 1 and 1. Now we have to find their LCM, and LCM of these three numbers, least common multiple. LCM of these three numbers is just multiplication of these factors which are divisible. First number is 2, multiply by 2, again multiply by 2, multiply by 2, 4 times. Next 3 into 3, multiply that, 2 into 2 4, into 2 into 2 4, and next 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. Next 4 into 4, that is equal to 16, into 9, that is equal to 144, and our LCM is 144. Now we have to find a number which is subtracted when 7 is subtracted from the number which is divisible by 16, 24 and 36. So we add 7 to these numbers, because this number is divisible by all the three numbers 16, 24 and 36. If we add 7 it, which is our required answer, that is equal to 151 is our required answer. Now we find the relation between their two numbers and their HCF and LCM. Let us consider two numbers 18 and 24. Now we find their LCM and HCF. First we have to find their prime factorization. Divide it by short division method. 18 2 9, and 9 is divisible by 3, so 3 into 1. Next 24, divide it by 2, even number, so it divisible by 2, that is 12 into 2, 24. Next 12 is divisible by 2, that is equal to 6. Now divide it again with 2, 3 and 3, 1 equal to 3. Now write prime factorization of 18. Prime factorization of 18, that is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Next prime factorization of 24, that is equal to 24. Write it, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. For HCF we have to pick up the common one, that is equal to 2 and 3. 2 multiply 3, that equal to 6, or we write here HCF is equal to 6, and LCM is, for LCM first we pick up the common one, that is equal to 2 and 3, and next the remaining one, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2 and 3, 2 3 and 2 2 and 3. Check it again. First we have to pick up the common one, 2, next 3, and next the remaining one, 2 2 and last is 3. Now multiply them, 6, 2 and 6, that is equal to 72, and our LCM is 72. We find the HCF and LCM of these two numbers by prime factorization. Now the number is 18 and 24, and their LCM is 72 and HCF is 6. So multiply these two numbers, 18 and 24. What you get? Multiply it, 18 and 24, that is equal to 432, or you can multiply it. Next multiply LCM into HCF, HCF into LCM. What we get? 6 into 12, 6 into 12, which is 342. But we see product of these two number and their LCF and HCF is equal to same, or we can write direct product of given number equal to multiplication of their HCF and LCM. On the basis of this relationship, product of the given numbers equal to HCF and LCM. A lot number of questions is arise and we solve few of them. Let's try another questions on the basis of this. Next question is, the product of two number is 800 and their LCM is 400. Find their HCF. We are derive the formula, that is product of two given number equal to their HCF into LCM. Write their product of given numbers, that is 800. Write product of two given number is 800 and their LCM is 400. HCF into LCM is 400. Now HCF equal to 800. 400 here is in multiplication. If we take 400 to another side, then it convert into divisible, or it can convert into division. Therefore HCF is equal to 800 upon 400, that is equal to 2, and over HCF is equal to 2. On the similar basis, another question is asked. They have given a HCF, or we have to find the LCM. Same formula is applied, you can do yourself. And the next question is, the product of two number is 600 and their HCF is 6. Find the LCM. We have to know the relation between the product of the numbers and their LCM and HCF, that is product of the numbers equal to their HCF and LCM. That is product of the number is 600, right? 600 and HCF of the number is 6. We have to find the LCM. Write LCM as it is. Then 6 is here in multiplication. On the another side, it convert into divisible. That equal to LCM, or we can write LCM equal to 600 by 6 divided by 6, that is equal to 100, or LCM is 100. That is our LCM. And the last question is, find the greatest number, 3-digit numbers, which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. That is, we have to find a number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So first we have to find their LCM of these three numbers. Let's find the LCM of these three numbers by short division method or common division method. That is 6, 8, 12. All three numbers are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. Divided by 2. 2 into 3, that is equal to 6, and 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Or if we divide 12 by 2, we get the quotient equal to 6. Next we have to divide it again by 2. 3 is not divisible by 2, so we write 3 as it is. Next 4 is divisible by 2, divide it and we get the quotient 2, and 6 is divisible by 2, okay, we get the quotient 3. Again divide it by 2, 3 as it is, 1 and 3. Divide it by 3, 1, 1 and 1. And the LCM of these three number is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and last is 3. That is equal to 8 into 3, that is equal to 24. That is equal to 24. LCM of these three number is 24. Now we have to find the 3-digit greatest number. You know that 3-digit greatest number is greatest number. What is the 3-digit greatest number? That is 9, 9, and 9. 3 digits greatest number is 999, 999, or we have to find the 3 digit greatest number which is divisible by 24. So divide it by 24, or I can write it greatest number equal to 999. Divide it by 24. Divide it by 24. What we get? 24 into multiply with 4, that we get 96. Subtract it, what we get? 39. Again divide it by 1, that is equal to 24, and we get the remainder 15. Subtract 15 from 999, what we get? 489, that is equal to 984. I write here 984 is our required answer, which is the 3 digit greatest number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. I repeat it. First we have to find the LCM of these 3 numbers, and LCM of these 3 numbers is 24. You can find LCM by any method: sort division method, common division, or prime factorization method. Now we have to find the 3 digit greatest number, and the 3 digit greatest number is 999. Divide it by 24, what we get? Remainder 15. If you subtract 15 from 999, we get a number which is divisible by 24, and that number is 984, which is our required answer. Now our chapter is complete. You have to complete all the exercise basis of this question and practice assignments which you provide in the form of PDF in their respective group. If you face any problem, you can ask in their respective group. Namaste.